What does the future hold? None of us really knows, but the possibilities are pretty amazing. We've got the potential to create a world where people live as long as they want, where scarcity is a thing of the past, where the human brain and body are radically enhanced, where friendly AIs, smarter than any of us, help us achieve our goals. And there's also some darker possibilities. Humanity Plus is about helping humanity get the future right. Not just the technology, but making the technology really work for all of us and those who come after us. Some of you may be surprised to hear me talking to you about Humanity Plus. I'm better known as a research scientist. I started out as a mathematician. Now I do research on artificial general intelligence, on robotics, on life extension, on computational neuroscience, and a bunch of other stuff. I'm also deeply interested in mind uploading, genetic engineering, nanotech, femtotech, and a whole lot more. The reason I got involved in Humanity Plus is it seemed like the only organization whose mission encompassed all these different areas, including their interrelationships and their broader implications, including trying to make sure they get developed in a beneficial way and we all have the rights to their benefits. I think the world needs a world-class organization that's devoted to future technology in a broad sense, not restricted to some particular class of technologies or issues. Humanity Plus is now a small organization, but I'm involved because I think it has the potential to grow into something really important and powerful. What does Humanity Plus do? We have worldwide chapters, conferences, a magazine. We fund R&D. Our chapters are spreading the word about advanced technology and futurist thinking in dozens of different countries, gathering together a huge diversity of perspectives on how to get the future right and what getting it right means. Our next conference is at Caltech next weekend. We're going to have sessions on AI, economics, art and design, and longevity. In the longevity session, for example, we're going to bring together researchers with a host of different perspectives, trying to understand how various mechanisms work together to cause aging, how they can be solved in a unified way. Our magazine, H Magazine, is edited by R.U. Sirius, who's been a leader of futurist journalism for decades. You might remember his last magazine, Mondo 2000. RU is starting a new magazine feature for 2011 called Problem Solved. Humanity Plus solves all the world's problems. Each month we'll consider a different problem and bring together a host of expert opinions about how advanced technology can solve it. Humanity Plus collaborates with scientists and engineers on critical R&D. We're working with WideTag on using the Internet of Things to enable mobile healthcare. And we're working with OpenCog, an open source AI project I started several years ago, together with a number of colleagues. We're working on creating robots, video game characters, and artificial scientists with general intelligence at the human level and ultimately beyond. If we get the future of AI right, that will help a lot in making the future as a whole be great for all of us. Humanity Plus is a broad organization. We're not focused on any one technology or issue. Our mission is to help humanity get the future right. But out of the breadth of our mission come some very specific action items. We could use your help right now with our Problem Solved magazine initiative. with our work on spreading the Internet of Things, with our work creating beneficial artificial general intelligence. Well, there's a lot more to say about all these things, a lot of other cool things I'd love to tell you about. Check out our online information and come to the Humanity Plus conference at Caltech next weekend if you can. See you in the future.